Let's assume I exported this list from our ERP's Human Resource module. It contains employees with their ID, name, department, title, position category, phone, email, and who they report to. I have clicked inside this table, so when I click Create Org Chart, the Org Chart wizard will assume this is the table we want to create an org chart for. The wizard needs us to tell it which column identifies each employee, which column identifies who they report to, which ID we want to start with, and which column we will use to color code our chart. Now we can select what we want displayed in each card of our org chart. I'm selecting employee name, title, department, and email. Click OK, and here is our chart. We can add a little style to our org chart. Click Display Tables. Here we have our empty card format table. We told the org chart wizard our cards have 4 lines and to use the category column for formatting. So we need to fill the card format table with the categories with each having 4 format lines. Sounds like a lot of work, doesn't it? No worries. Click Fill Format Table and instantly that is done. Let's give our top level executives some emphasis by applying bold to the font format and centering the lines. Now let's give our C-level executives some extra attention by adding a background color, changing the first line's font to something fancy, and adding some font embellishments to the other lines. We can preview what we just did. If we like it, we can do the same sort of thing for the lower level employees. With that done, all we have to do is refresh our chart.